All right, and we are live. What is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host of Truth, and welcome back to the channel. So, thank you guys so much for being here. And here's just some of the things that we're going to talk about. So, obviously, before we get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Obviously, if you want to learn about the stock market, how to make money in the stock market, this is the right channel. Sorry, one second. And then two, if you guys do have any questions or comments or anything, just comment them in the comment section down below or to the side, wherever it is. And then my next question is, how can I make these live streams better so that way I can give you guys more value and just like keep you guys up to date. But yeah, please let me know how I can make this better so I can serve you guys a lot better. And then today I did the unthinkable and I bought some Bitcoin today. And then I'm going to keep putting $500 into Bitcoin each and every single week. Like today I put in $500. Tomorrow's going to be another $500. And then every single Sunday after that, it's going to be $500. Portfolio, and then next up we're going to do a portfolio review. Obviously, if you guys haven't been here, I will do a portfolio review. And then lastly, I don't know if you guys saw this or not, but the Celsius person got arrested. That's the guy that I don't know if he owned Celsius, but he was one of the people that ran it. But what's up, hon? Good to see you. But okay, guys, let's get started. But all right, let's take a look at the portfolio. So here is how the portfolio is doing today. And then I don't know why it says minus $1,000 to be 1,000% with you guys. Maybe it's because I went from this to this, but obviously I bought some Bitcoin on here. I know this isn't the best place to buy Bitcoin, but I can always transfer it out to a ledger or somewhere else. But yeah, like I said, I bought some Bitcoin, and then here's the whole portfolio. I did sell some puts on Alibaba. This one actually isn't doing that well because when I bought it, Alibaba was like, I think like somewhere around here, like $95. So I went down a little bit, but that's all good. This Coinbase one is doing absolutely amazing, and then this Mara one, Mara actually went down quite a bit. It went from 8. Well, actually, I'll just click into the chart, but it went from 1931 to 1815, but it's ran up a ton. So honestly, if there's a huge correction on Marathon, I wouldn't be surprised. Coinbase is doing good. Palantir, these ones, Palantir, PayPal, and Enphase, these ones all got like a little bit ahead of me because their stock price kept going up, and my covered calls were like down here, and then their like stock prices kept going up. So I had to like take a little bit of a loss on these ones, but it's all good. And then one thing that I didn't share with you guys is I'm actually doing a leap on PayPal because I really think once they announce their new CEO and after this next earnings, they're going to be doing absolutely amazing. So I bought a call for $60, and then this one's not going to expire until 12/19/2025. So I think I had like 880 something days. And then I even sold a covered call on it as well. So then I can make extra premium. But these ones, I'm gonna have to put like a lot higher. Oh, these ones. So I have these ones at like a $77 strike price. So I'm only getting $18 for these, but I got $68 in total, like in total credit. So this is a little bit more risky. So I'm putting like only $10,000 into this, and then as long, let me see if I can show you guys the chart. Oh, shoot. 2025, and here's the option. Let me click on it, and then so PayPal has to get to $88 for me to. Oh no, that's at expiration. So as long as it can get to $88 and above, then I'll be making very good money with PayPal. And then I have 4 of these contracts as well. I don't know if I told you guys that or not, but I have 4 contracts of PayPal, and then these ones, like I said, I do believe in PayPal, but this can, like I said, as long as their CEO is like amazing, then this will keep going up because I really do you think that this is like super undervalued? Because let me see. No, PayPal, and they're even buying back their own stock, which just means that there's less shares of like PayPal to go around. So then also like my stock price will keep going up. So I really think PayPal is like one of those plays where I'm gonna take a little bit of a chance because like I know their free cash flow has been like basically staying the same. That's only for 2 quarters, but um, and then the revenue is down a little bit, but I still believe in PayPal because like there are other things that PayPal is working on, and those I think it's Venmo and then Braintree is the other one. Braintree is the other one, and they're expected to grow like 40% year over year with just those two, and then just like PayPal itself. Because like for me personally, I usually only check out with PayPal if they do have the option. So maybe I'm being a little bit too biased towards PayPal, but for me, I think PayPal is still a buy. For me, I'm buying it under $75. I know there are some other people who said that they're going to keep buying it under $100, but for me, under $75 is the goal. Like I said, I'll probably sell some more puts to see if I can get it like a little bit lower, but um, it really just depends how it like the stock does on Monday. But yeah, like I said, doing that. Um, and then the next thing we have to get to is I'm buying some Bitcoin. So like the thing that really put me the edge on Bitcoin is because I forgot who I was watching yesterday, but it's like once the American dollars go to zero, where else are you gonna have your money? Because like eventually the money from America does have to go to zero, because that's how all of the currencies work. Because eventually you're gonna have too much debt to where like the money's not gonna be worth anything. So it's like uh, that's why I decided to buy Bitcoin because there's only a limited amount of Bitcoin in the world. So I'm just gonna hold on to these, and then like I said in the past, I am just gonna be doing $500 of um, every single week of Bitcoin, just so I can dollar cost average into it. Um, but yeah, and then as a portfolio update, I really don't have anything besides me just buying this long call on PayPal and then me buying some Bitcoin. Like everything else has pretty much been the same. I did close some of my put credit spreads because they were up quite a bit. The only one that I left was this one because this one's at three. So as long as as QQQ stays over 367, I'm gonna be making all of this money. So right now, so you would do 85 times 11. Earlier I did the math. It was like around $900 that I can still make off of this option. But if I do see it starts to go against me, I will close it though early because I don't want it to like be worthless because this is quite a bit of money that I'm putting up. Where is it? No, that's not it. So it's 85 times 200. So give me 1 second. 200. So that's $17,000. So like I said, if it does go against me, I'm gonna have to close it. Can you explain leap options in more detail? Yeah, dude. So like, for me, I decided to do a leap option on PayPal just because I really think that, for one, they're undervalued, and then two, they still have like growth, um, that can keep happening inside of PayPal, and then three, like I don't think a lot of people take into account like this, but they're buying back their own stock, which means that they're like first, there's gonna be like less shares of that stock like in in the market, and then two, like they're just like they're not gonna be there, like I said. But the reason why I did a leap option on this and just like not buy regular shares is because for one, I already have 300 shares of this, and I truly like every single time that I look at PayPal, I'm like, I think this is just gonna keep going higher. So if you do a leap option, so this is how much I had to pay, 2,800. So 2,800 times, since I did 4 contracts, that's how much it would be. So um, four, so I would be paying $11,200. So, but if I wanted to buy PayPal shares, so like how much are they at? So 72.13 times 400. If I wanted to buy those 400 shares like off the market, they would be at $28,852. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but That's how much you would pay for it if you were just buying shares. Um, but like the thing that does suck about this is that if it like um, goes under, then that's when I'm going to be losing a lot of money, and that's when I'll be losing my $11,200. But as long as it stays above $60, I'll be all good. But that's why you also pay a premium as well. But yeah, it has to get to $88 in order for me to, for one, break even. Um, and then if it goes like above that, then I'll be making a lot of money in it. So like $88 is like I make no money, but then if it, let's say it goes to like $88 by 2025, um, this is how much I would be making, $430, and it would have to get to $89. But like the great thing about like selling or buying leaps is that you can also sell short-term options as well. So like I did this one right here. I did a 77 strike price, um, and then I sold a call, and then you can do that as well to like not offset it, but like this would be like a covered call, so you would get premium for it. And then like the great thing that I like about like doing options is that um, let me get rid of this one. Hold on. So if I were to sell, actually, if I were to roll this one, so I would have to buy the call, I would have to buy it back and then sell. Let's say it doesn't even reach that price, but we'll do $77 again. Then the next week, you'll have to get, you'll get paid a credit of $19. But obviously, like if the stock like goes up even more than that, then you'll have to pay like more premium for you to like get higher and higher. Because actually PayPal did go away from me for a little bit. So like, we'll just take a look at my spreadsheet. Um, Let me look for PayPal. Like right now, uh, I'm like the premium that I've collected is actually negative 300, 534, but that's because the stock did get away from me for a little bit. Um, I don't know if it's gonna show up in the history or not, but um, oh, here we go. See, like I had to pay $936 in a debit, and then right here I got paid 174, 129, but then I had to pay $936 so I can um, basically like have more what's it called um, have more like a price appreciation. So like for some reason I knew that I keep thinking that it's just gonna keep going up, so that's why I bought those back. But maybe I did it at around the wrong time, because that actually traded down a little bit. But honestly, who knows what PayPal's gonna do next week or the upcoming week after that. But yeah, let me see if there's anything else that I need to talk about. And then I haven't showed my Webull portfolio yet, so let me do that really quick. And then this Webull portfolio is way more conservative. Um, for some reason, I don't see it on here, but I'll show you guys on my app. Webull. So this is my smaller account. This is, like I said, this is a dividend account. Um, Let me see if you guys can see that or not. So with Webull, I only have $3,100. But like I said, this one is my safe account just in case anything were to happen. Um, I'll still be getting paid like a little bit of dividends. The only stock that I hold is let me see, is SEHD as of right now. So SEHD has been like going up and down a ton, but um, like for SEHD, it's just basically about just getting the dividends. So like here, let me show you guys. SEHD. So this next month, no, not next month, but like this next quarter on like 9/21/2023. It's supposed to pay out like at least 60 cents. So I think uh, Google calculator. So I have 42 shares of the company times 0.6 because that's how much the dividend is going to be. So I'm going to be making like $25, which isn't a ton of money, but like I said, this is the more safe account. So I'm not really going to like do anything with this one besides just do dividends. And then at one point I probably will sell calls and puts, but it's going to be like on dividend stocks. So then that way, um, like it's going to be like a lot more safe. This account's just going to be way more safe. I was thinking about like on the Webull account, like dollar cost averaging into the QQQ, because the QQQ like it does absolutely amazing like year in and year out. But like I said, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that account yet. So far, I've set my mind that it's just gonna be like a dividend account, but just like the premium that you get for like selling options is honestly kind of crazy because um, let's see, even if you were to do these 90 ones, you would be getting 41 cents, and then let's say that um, what I was gonna look for. Um, So as of right now, I would need $37,900 ish, somewhere around there, to like buy all of these like shares, so I can get 100 shares, and then I can sell calls on them. That's what I was gonna do. Um, so let's see how much their dividend is. So see, like their dividend isn't even that high. So it's like 0.50, 0.65, and they're like at $300 a share. So if I were to just like sell calls, I would be making a lot more money than just waiting for the dividend. Um, and then like I said before, you cannot like do even farther out dates as well. So like um, let's see the sixth. They've got 13 days out. But if I were to do this one and do let's say even that, we would be getting $117 with basically like 2 weeks of like waiting for that money. And then also you would be getting some price appreciation as well because as long as it goes up, if it goes down, then you're losing some money. But as long as it goes up, then you'll be all good. But for me, I only like doing like the weekly ones, so I would usually do this one. Um, but let me know, what do you guys think? Should I leave it in QQQ or leave it in SCHD or switch it over to QQQ and try to get 100 shares so then that way I can start selling calls on this as well? Um, but all right, guys, I really don't have anything else to share with you guys. Let me know. Do you guys have any questions, comments, or anything you guys want me to go over before I head off? Um, well, yeah, like I said, don't really think I have anything else for you guys. I'm not looking for any more stocks. But yeah, I really don't know. Let me know anything else, guys, before I go. Um, all right, guys, it doesn't look like you guys have anything else. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Um, peace out, and like I said, I'll see you guys again tomorrow. So see you guys later. Peace.